Aldehydes and ketones are polar. See, first I will give you a detailed answer, then a statement answer. If you take ketone and aldehyde, you can see carbonyl group is common. In that carbonyl group, we know oxygen is what? More electronegative, right? Due to that, see, this electron pair will shift towards oxygen. So what you will get? You will be getting a resonance structure like this. Oxygen become negative charge, carbon become positive charge, right? Now it become what? Polar. Polar means what? Charged. Aldehyde and ketone are charged, right? Why? Due to the electronegativity, higher electronegativity of oxygen. Here is your statement answer. Yes, aldehyde and ketones are polar because of the carbonyl group where oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. This creates a dipole moment making the molecule polar.